Greeting everyone. So yeah, after I'm shooting this video right now, I think we already like on the third day of the conflict between our border of Cambodia and Thailand. And the positive side is that I love the energy that we have the artist, influencer, public figure who doing charity, bring food, bring all the supply to show to the people who looking for shelter at the border right now. So I'm happy for that. I want you guys to continue, keep doing what you're doing. And also another thing is that we also bring some voice to the global right now because people start to listen. They like start to look into like Cambodian resource right now about what really happening and is going on. So they want to listen to both sides, not just like from Thailand. After tonight or tomorrow morning, we have more good news, and I don't want to hurt like people in the not just for Cambodian but also to Thai people as well. No one wants this to happen ever, like especially for citizens. And Thai people, Khmer people, we are the same. We don't want any injury. We don't want to see people dying. We don't want to blame each other. The thing is, we want to make sure like we stand everything in the middle. We don't want any spreading negative energy. Showing support, but also like make sure we not just follow like media blindlessly. Thailand is a big country, so they have a lot of access. Every platform, every voice that people start speaking, they know who is Thailand. But Cambodia, very minor for us. I see that people like Pai, Kwan, and other artists as well. They start like bringing donation. On the social media platform, that they can bring a lot of a positive side. Like avoiding fake news, avoiding like a scam page. So that's a good thing that we also like having people who understand the technology, who can handle that kind of thing. So it's very positive from that. So I'm hope that we finding the middle ground like between Cambodia and Thailand, and this problem will be resolved. So thank you.